So here we are with the Slow Poke. This is the unboxing. I'm also going to do the made in flight. Here is the Slow Poke, and I've just got to put it together. I'm going to download look at the instructions that you can download off of hobbyking's website. So, and this is Durafly, and I've got it through hobbyking. So I'll put it together and kind of show you when it's all done and put together. It looks like a really simple thing to put together, and then we'll go take it out to the field and take it out for a made in flight and see how it goes. I'll keep it close. Wants to nose over every time, so let's see if I can get it from not nosing over. Huh? She'll fly slow, just to let you know. What'd you think?
Good job. It flies very well. Really very slow, very easy. I like it.
All right. So that was a flight of the Slow Poke. This is from Durafly. It's a 47-inch wingspan. I got it from hobbyking. As you can see from the video, that the flights were pretty good. It's a pretty nice flyer. I fly it with a 3S 2200. It's a great plane. For the price I paid for it, you can't beat it. So if you're interested in this, just go to hobbyking's website and check it out. If you'd like me to do more reviews on airplanes, please let me know in the comments and tell me what you think. So there you go. So we'll catch you next time. I'll probably end up doing some more reviews. I got a couple other planes that are ready to go. And don't forget to please subscribe to my channel, and also click the thumbs up if you like this, and we'll catch you at the next video. Take care.